Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today is day 24 of our 30 days of JavaScript challenge, and the question that we have today is sort by. Okay, so this is an easy level question and this is actually a very easy question. Okay, so what we have been told here, we have been given an array, okay, and a function fn. Now this function fn will return some value. Okay, we will move forward and see that. Now what we need to do here, we need to return a sorted array. Okay, now we need to assume that fn only returns number and those number that determines how the value in the arr will be sorted. Okay, so this arr, whatever the value, will be sorted based on the value that is obtained from fn. Like let's say we are passing this value, here too we have a simple value, like, but let's say we have arr here. Okay, and we have object inside this -1, then we have okay, so let's say this is our value. Okay, now what our function is saying that our this value or the arr should be sorted on the basis of this value. Okay, not keys but the value. So how it will get sorted, like we have to sort it in ascending order, that is compulsory. And how it needs to be sorted, it will be defined in the fn. Okay, so we have to pass our value in this function and it will decide how our function will get sorted. Like here we have a chance where we can sort our array according to the values in the object. Okay, so let's say we have another example where we have these are the pairs. Okay, 10 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 2. Okay, so now when we are passing the value to fn, then let's say our fn says that we need to like sort our values based on the values in the x at 0th index. Okay, so our entire array will get sorted based on the values at 0th index of each array. Okay, so how our means array will be getting sorted, and the final value that we will be receiving is 2 comma 3, 4 comma 2 and 10 comma 1. So this will happen when we are told that in fn of x the value that should be returned is x of 0. Okay, in case it is, let's say, x of 1. Okay, so the newly sorted array that we will receive is 10 comma 1, 4 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. So this will be happening when we are having the sorting value sent as x of 1. If it is x of 0, then this will be the output. So f of this fn is the deciding factor of how our array will get sorted. Okay, and we have been told that we can assume that fn will never duplicate a number in the array. Okay, so any whatever array we have been given, there will not be any duplication caused due to fn. Okay, so this is our question. Okay, now for the approach, we will come across a function called sort. Okay, so there is a function called sort. So like in JavaScript, Java also we have this sort function, in Python also we have this function. So what we need to do here is, what we will do, we will call array dot sort. Now whenever we are passing we are having two values, we need to consider it in the form of ascending order, right? So when we need an ascending order, then what will happen, let's say we have a and b. Okay, so in that condition a should be less than b, right? And whenever we are sorting a value, when we are using this lambda functions, then what we do, we pass that value in this parameter, right? And since this function, the whatever the output or the sorted array is returned, it should be based on the value that is returned by function, right? So we will pass this a and b in function also. And how we need to return the value, this A should be less than B, right? It should be in ascending order. So how we will return? We will return f of n, fn of A minus fn of B. Okay, so this is how we will return. So this is only what we are supposed to do in this question. Okay, so we will be using sort function. We will passing two parameters, and this, when we are passing two parameter and we have first value and second value, when we are doing A minus B, then we will be getting ascending order. Okay, and if we do B minus A, then we will get descending order. So since we are expecting ascending order here, so that's why what we will do, we will be passing f of n, means fn of A we will get here, and it will, let's say, return some value 0, and whatever value we are getting here, it will be compared, and according to that we will be getting the sorted value. So now let's move on to the code. So let's see the code now. Okay, so what we will do here, we will simply return arr.sort A comma B fn of A minus fn of B. So we are doing fn of A minus fn of B because we want a ascending order, right? If we wanted descending order, then we would have just done fn of B minus fn of A. So we would have gotten the reverse output, or in the descending order. So the sample test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it now. So this code has been accepted. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments, and in case you have any doubts, please do let me know that also, so that I can clarify it there. And in order to continue with me in this journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching.